Chapati and Kheema, where everyday comfort meets festive celebration. I'll be making the chapati while my mum will be making the Kheema. It's our first time cooking together. This will be very interesting. Today I'm making the Indian Muslim version, which is a bit more fluffy and softer. So I'm starting with Atta flour, which is made from wheat. If you don't have Atta flour, you can simply use plain flour or bread flour. So we just gently knead it. When we knead, we use this part of our palm. Pull back and push forward. So this is the first time I'm making chapati with my mum. It's like how Nani used to make. So where did Nani learn how to make
Oh, she
chapati?
used to work for this Gujarati woman. As a 5-6-year-old child, I've been witnessing this lady making chapati.
I'm going to let it rest for half an hour before we can roll out and make the chapatis. So while the dough is resting, we are going to start cooking the mutton keema.
Start off, normally we have a bit of oil. And then when the oil is a bit hot, then we can put in all the dry spices.
Actually, I love eating at this shop in Norris Road. My dada used to bring me there as I was a kid. So I used to hate it so much when I was younger. But I only learned how to appreciate the taste of the keema and chapati as I grew older. Sometimes I coming home from the far, I can smell already, the keema. Then I know already today my mother cooked keema.
When I was younger, sometimes my father would cook this, and then when we came back from school or from work, then we are so happy because we know dinner's ready.
So we have this green packet, I cannot tell, but every Indian household will have this. Smells very good.
We always cut the potato into small cubes like this. I saw some other people will cut slightly bigger. For me, I want it cooked quickly, so the smaller it is, the faster it will cook. My mom always said, when people come during dinner time, you must serve them dinner no matter what. This is something that we can be ready by half an hour. Sometimes we have it for breakfast, and sometimes we have that, the sandwich maker. We just put in there and it'll be very nice.
So when my friends ask me what is keema, my easiest explanation is an Indian bolognese. Only like a bit more curry flavor, I would say. Thank you for showing me how to cook the keema. Next, I'm going to teach you how to make chapati. Ding, 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 ding. And now it's been 30 minutes. We are going to make the chapati. So I have a bit of the atta flour to dust the surface. So I'm just going to roll it out into a cylinder first. So after we just make it roll into a ball. In India, when they want to choose a wife, usually the mother-in-law will ask the candidates to roll a chapati. If they can roll a perfectly round chapati, that means she will make a good wife. So since this is homemade, right, you don't really need to be perfectly round. We are gonna start to cook them on our family heirloom, the tawa. Where is the tawa?
I'm sorry, I lupa.
So if you don't have tawa, it works fine on a cast iron pan or any non-stick pan. This is a very healthy recipe because it doesn't use any oil. It's just on a plain pan, we'll toast the bread until it puffs up. So the important tip for this chapati is not to flip it too many times. Just about 2 times on each side and you gently press it down till it puffs up. So at home, you can use a medium-high heat. It takes about 1 minute on each side.
Okay.
Very nice.
Nice.
And now it is time to serve. Yeah, the keema is very nice.
Yeah, I think I like this chapati better than what we always get, the frozen one. This nicer, homemade.
At least now you know how to do. You can make for us at home.
Definitely I'll do this.
For leftover keema, you can just keep it in the fridge. It's going to taste even better the next day. And for chapati, any balance, before you reheat, just sprinkle some water and microwave. Let me know what other family recipes you'd like to see me cook next.
Selamat Hari Raya.